Today we're going to look at the Clingo Vent Mount. Now for the hardest part, opening the box. Inside the box, you'll find the manual, the mount pad, and various vent fittings. It is incredibly simple. Just connect the swivel mount to the back piece. Like so. Attach the two adjustable clips, which are tailored to fit any car vent. And lastly, add Clingo's green adhesive pad. Now you just need the car, and you're ready to go. Adjust the clips to the right size for your vehicle, clipping the Clingo mount to your vent, and follow the same procedure as shown previously. Next, peel the label away from the adhesive pad. Pressing your device onto it. Don't forget to make sure the device itself is clean before you do so. As demonstrated, it will take more than a few bumps for your phone to come off. Clip the pad to the swivel mount and position your phone however you like, using the 360-degree rotation for infinite viewing angles. When you're done, peel the phone away and the magic of Clingo's adhesive technology is revealed, ensuring that no sticky residue will be left on your device. Get yours now from Decrescent.com.